baby bus!
Let's go, Sheriff Labrador!
Assemble! Rainbow Explorers, Part 3.
Dobie, search the grass carefully. I think the truth is hidden underground.
Okay.
Upon overhearing Sheriff Labrador's request, all the animals began to search the grass. And soon...
Sheriff Labrador, there's a hole under this bush!
There's a hole here, too!
There's another one!
more and more underground holes were discovered. It turned out that the green grassland was completely covered with holes.
Just like I thought. It seems that these bad guys sneaked into Rainbow Meadows through the holes they had already dug and escaped after stealing your items and kidnapping the kids. That's why we couldn't find any traces of their whereabouts on the meadow.
Hey now, is the Black Jewel Gang behind this again?
There's no evidence to prove that, but there are so many holes in the grassland that it likely took many hands working together. So there must be several bad guys.
Hey now, this meadow is covered with holes. It must be like a maze underground. How will we find them?
Officer Doberman was so worried that he paced in circles. But Sheriff Labrador, off to the side, scanned the grassland calmly. Soon, he noticed a soccer ball in the grass not far away. After noticing what Sheriff Labrador had spotted, Mr. Gideon the crocodile swung his tail in panic.
This is my son's soccer ball!
The soccer ball was dropped here, which means Giddy and Lil Zebra might have been taken into a hole nearby.
Holes nearby. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are so many holes nearby. Hey now, which hole did the thieves use to make their getaway?
Sheriff Labrador took out the magnifying glass and carefully checked every hole. He soon found a new clue. His dark, round eyes instantly glistened.
Look, there's a starfish sticker at the mouth of this hole.
When Nancy the piggy, in her floral apron, saw this, she became so anxious that her tears flowed like a river.
That's my daughter's sticker! She brought a lot of stickers with her when she left home today!
Since the soccer ball and the sticker are here, it seems that Peggy, Lil Zebra, and Giddy must have been taken into this hole. Let's go, Dobie.
Hey now, okay.